How would you love to have a PeakH2 for free? That's right, we're giving the PeakH2 out for free for those of you that are affiliates or want to become an affiliate. So what you're gonna do is there's a link up here somewhere. Click that link, book an appointment. We're gonna walk you through the training system that you get complimentary when you decide to become an affiliate. And there is a program. It's a step-by-step how to market, how to brand, how to sell. It's all done for you. Through my 15 years of experience being in network marketing, I give you all the gold nuggets that I learned from people like Dr. Joe Dispenza, Bob Proctor, Jeffrey Combs, and countless other people. I put it all into a program, just the gold nuggets. So you get access to that. Once you graduate, you get a certificate, and then you get one of these. Now you become a hydration specialist. So that's number one. So if you are an affiliate and you want to become one, we do have some specials too. So let me explain those specials. First off, the home unit bundle pack is our most popular pack. That one sells for $24.95. We've lowered the price point to only $17.95. Comes with a machine, a pre-filter, comes with a PeakH2, comes with our supplement, comes with our disinfecting spray bottle, comes with a shower head. It's an enormous value. So you sell 2 of those in 1 week, and you're gonna receive not only just your 20% that you typically get, you're gonna receive a $200 bonus as a thank you bonus for your Christmas bonus, okay? So that's number one. Number two, if you sell or when you sell a product over $5,000, you're gonna receive for your customer receives a home unit bundle pack, the value bundle pack, $24.95. So spend $5,000, you're gonna get the home unit bundle pack as a complimentary gift that you can give out to others, you can use it for yourself. And then we have our trade-up program. So if they're wanting to get the whole house bundle pack, that's valued around $7,000, they would do the trade-up program and they would send us their old technology. We're gonna deep clean it. We're gonna see what's inside because we're very curious now about the mold and bacteria issues and the people that have gotten ill potentially from them. So we're curious to see just how bad they are inside. We also have a cleaning service too. So if someone does want to keep their Kangen machine or alkaline technology, we can clean them, and we'll also recommend a pre-filter. So that's a service that we have. So they save $2,000 and then they also receive the bundle pack complimentary. And the last thing is that most people during this time of year want more money so they can buy more presents and have a better Christmas. And so instead of waiting the 30 days for the payouts, we're gonna pay out weekly. So that means if you make a sale on Wednesday, we pay out on Fridays and you'll get your pay on Friday. So it's very exciting times we're going through right now. It starts right now and ends all the way at the end of December. So make sure you take advantage of it now because through the new year, we're gonna have some great trainings coming up where I'll be present with you. And I really wanna help you succeed. That's my goal this new year, is to help others become successful. And we've already got the program for you. We've got the website set up for you. We have all the back-end support. So time is now. Go ahead and click that button. We'll see you on the inside.